start on the topic of the innovation and startup. Here, the firstly we introduce about the term innovation. Innovation is nothing but whenever the new things we introduce, which is essential for to start up or any ideas which are implemented in the system, that is nothing but the innovation. In the innovation, our ideas is comes into the impact, and the first few students are mainly targeted here. After that, the inner session objective is to understand the innovation concept. What is the innovation?